Hey guys, I'm Gordon Ramsay. And I'm Circly. And today we are going to be cooking my famous beef Wellington. So first we're gonna prepare the meat. Don't worry dude, I'll prepare it. Circly, I swear to God. So yeah, we prepared the steak and now let's add a little bit of mustard. Now we cover it in mushrooms, ham, beef, send the puff pastry and then oil it up, and now we let it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When I was 4 years old, I shit my bed. Wow, we made the Wellington. Don't eat the Wellington. Now let's hear what other people think.
This tongue sucks.
What am I doing here? But I guess it sucks, I guess.